Morning, everybody. It's Saturday, about 8:30. Took a break from watching Kenny on Rodder Files, and that's the temp in the garage. We will be turning that on, but first we're going to move this more over into the center of the garage so we can open both doors. Going to start the weather stripping today on the car. That's my plan, and so we will do that once we get the car moved, and might take it around the block. It hasn't been out for a month or so, and we'll go from there. So the other thing is this playing with this camera. This one shoots time lapse, so I'm thinking maybe I'll put this on the stand and do time lapse of watching me try to put the weather stripping in the car. You can almost refer to that as a monkey trying a football. So, all right, when I get more, I'll bring you guys back later. All right, got the time lapse set up. Hopefully that'll work. And we got that out. It goes up in here, so this part of the door panel is going to have to come off or be raised up. So we'll take the screws out and see if we can loosen it up. Just enough to get the rubber in there for right now. But yeah, that's where we're at. So we'll try this time-lapse thing, see how that works later. Alright, I took the door panel off, or just picked it up, moved it over, and we've got it started. So I'm going to go ahead and get these screws in and started. And we will try the, it's all set up, so we'll try the lapse and see how that works. I want to apologize for any butt cracks that might show. I have been losing weight and I refuse to buy new pants, so later. Well, if that comes through the time lapse, you'll see that I had a really hard time with this up here. Matter of fact, I'm still not sure whether I got it, but it feels like I do. So, went to Harbor Freight and got some long needle nose, too. Took the door panel off. The reason for the long needle nose is, here, let me get the stool. I tapped them in with a hammer just to set them, to hold them. And then if you look right there, hold on, let's see if we can zoom this in. Right there. Come on, focus. No, it ain't gonna focus, but right there. Get your fat hand out of the way. See the little nylon nub sticking through? Well, get a hold of, put them on on the needle nose and pull them up and pull them through. I only broke one, but these are all done. Yeah. Oh, this one could be pulled through more. This one's through. Yeah, see that one? So now we'll go back and check them all. And some of them, like this area here, is I'll put a little masking, some 3M here. Sorry for the shaky cam, guys. But I'll put a little of this on and then tape it in place, and that'll just ensure it stays in place so when you don't close the door it doesn't move it. You know what I mean? So hope time lapse comes out, so when I get more I'll bring you guys back later. Alright guys, we got the door panel off here. It's over there. Yeah. And I'll move that camera over here and we'll try some more time lapse on putting on the seal. Again, I apologize for any butt crack, but remember I've been losing weight and these pants hang on me. So I will try to keep them pulled up, but once I get on a roll, it's hard to say what's going to happen. So let's get the time lapse set up and we'll start this side later. Morning, tubers. I gotta apologize. The battery died on the time lapse camera, so I decided not to put it on the charger, and we'll do it again. It's Sunday morning. It's about 10:35. It's the temp in the garage. I want to get it a little bit warmer in here because I'll be laying on that cold concrete floor. And we've got the driver's side seal to do. And it's a steel products. They give you little plastic pins to secure the rubber on the door on both sides. There's the other side there. So yeah. Yesterday I was using a hammer and a piece of wood to try to set the keepers, the little plastic keepers in the holes right there. Yeah, these, until I can get a hold of them with a long needle nose and just slowly pull them in. You just don't want to yank on them too tight. So I got it's Sunday morning. I got Sunday morning chores going on. Got up early to start those. As soon as I get those done, then I'll come out here and see if we can get this driver's door wrapped up and done today. I don't think I'll be able to have time to put the door panels back on the car and everything else, but we'll get at least the seal on that door. So next will be time lapse. I did check yesterday's. It came out, and we'll try it again later. Alright guys, this is in. This one in the passenger side gave me trouble up there. This one gave me trouble right at the start to set the first anchor. So, but it's in. Definitely got to adjust that striker. So, right now I'm going to clean up the garage and go inside and see how I can put this all together and see what I can come up with. So I hope everybody has a good Sunday. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments. And we'll pick you up on the next one. Later.